Hello and welcome to my self-care video. Today I would like to show you how I massage my lower leg to help with my lower back pain, tight glutes, and hamstrings. This technique can be done seated at a desk or while watching television. I personally like to sit cross-legged with my knee over my foot, paying special attention to how far away my foot and knee are and how this relationship changes over the self-care series. I use a technique called rolling to work along my tibia. You can learn this technique by clicking the link below and listening to my Torino teacher Lilo explain it. If this technique is not available to you, you can do the Torino technique called pressing and kneading, where you put your thumb up against the structure you wish to influence and the ulnar part of your other hand on top of your thumb. Move your thumb forward and back or side to side. I like to move my thumb forward and back. I count of 3 down my leg. I do this 3 times, paying special attention to the sore spots. After the 3 times, I come back to the most tender places and work them for 3 breaths. Next, I work the back of my calves by placing thumb over thumb, giving myself superhuman strength. Working all the way down to the fibula. Do this 3 times and then come back to the sore spots and work them for 3 breaths. Next, I come along to the front of my shin and work along it by pressing palm over palm and putting most of the pressure in my middle fingers. I start at the head of the fibula and work towards the tibia and then on down. All the way down in between the first and second metatarsals. You can do this 3 times and come back and work the most tender spots. Next, I do a modified rolling technique on the bottom of my foot. It's kind of like knocking on a door. Then I pop my toes. Check my knee and my foot. Thank you for watching my video and have a beautiful day.